In 2013, Bandra's very first Interschool Republic Day Parade was an idea that became a reality when 17 schools joined St. Stanislaus High School, which was then celebrating 150 years. Hill Road became a mini Rajpath where schools, the civic authorities and the elite Rapid Action Force, along with the NCC Maharashtra Directorate, came together to honour India and her armed forces. In 2018, the 5th Brihanmumbai Interschool Republic Day Parade was conducted on Bandra's BJ Road at Bandstand. This time, 23 schools and the NCC cadets from across Mumbai enthusiastically participated. The chief guest, Vice Admiral Ajendra Bahadur Singh, Chief of Staff, Western Naval Command, reviewed this very young and dynamic parade. NCC cadets fiercely showed what soldiers do to keep our borders secure. Over 1,300 participants gave off their best to honour their country and her soldiers. The rich and varied cultural heritage of India was also showcased at this spectacular event. A tri-services exhibition of the Army, Navy, and the Air Force educated, excited and inspired the future generations of citizens that collectively came together to celebrate this special day, now as proud Indians.